Boo, huh? So what did this guy do?
Majin Buu had no feelings or conscience. He was designed as an instrument of fear and terror. His single desire was to eliminate all living things, and he was very good at it. Hundreds of planets were reduced to rubble. Entire galaxies were erased from existence. No force could withstand his evil power.
But you belong.